Into the July 4th weekend, COVID trends in the state and in the county are starting to slow down. The latest data showing case counts are slowly declining, but Mecklenburg County is still in the CDC's medium level. Wake Up Charlotte's Kendall Morris now live for us this morning. And Kendall, we've seen over past holidays, people get together with family and friends. Then a week or two later, people start getting sick. Are doctors comforted at all by the fact that July 4th tends to be an outside holiday?
Yeah, absolutely, Ben. That's one of the reasons that doctors say that, hey, you can still enjoy this holiday, but you still need to make sure that you're cautious, even though we're seeing some signs of optimism that we're on the other side of this latest COVID wave of cases. Doctors say you still can't let your guard down with new Omicron subvariants popping up in the community.
The 4th of July is a time to celebrate our nation's independence. But doctors are still urging people to take precautions to protect themselves and others from COVID-19 amid holiday gatherings.
But if you're not feeling well, don't go around others.
Doctors are closely monitoring Omicron subvariants, particularly BA4 and BA5.
What we've seen in other communities is over time, they very quickly become the predominant strains, which of course is a little bit more, creates a little more caution for us because the BA.5 in particular has a tendency to be more immune evasive.
Doctors say the vaccine continues to be the best tool in the fight against COVID-19.
We're seeing a lot less severe illness and a lot less death, which is very encouraging. And that's because of the high level of vaccination coverage that we have.
Heading into the July 4th weekend, doctors say they're not expecting to see a surge like we've seen around winter holidays due to many festivities being held outdoors. But they're still encouraging people to be on alert.
So if you have cold-like symptoms, and I know I've said this to people a million times, but I still hear people tell me like, oh, I'm coughing, but it's just my allergies. And I'm like, did you take a COVID test?
Urging people to do everything they can to keep COVID away from their holiday gatherings.
And if you do need a COVID-19 test, you can order 8 more from the federal government if you haven't already done that. There's also some available through the county health department and also some public libraries. Live at Uptown, Kendall Morris, WCNC Charlotte.